everybody, I'm Girl Heart Ambassador Sage, and recently I had the opportunity to go visit Ann and Jen at their business, The Kitchen. The Kitchen was created by two girl bosses, Ann and Jen. So what is The Kitchen?
We have a really cool way to actually connect with people.
As guests of The Kitchen, you can help cook or bake, then eat.
You know, work together as a team and create something that's yummy, and we can sit down and enjoy together. Do you like to make cookies?
Yes.
Cool.
Do you like to eat cookies?
Yeah.
We're gonna get along pretty good soon.
Chocolate chip cookies. Special ingredient is
Cinnamon.
yes.
What was your dream job when you were 10?
When I was 10, I wanted to be a social worker.
So when I was 10, I wanted to be a cook. What do you want to be when you grow up?
Probably a cook too.
Really? Awesome.
It's fun to mix everything up, make the recipe, and then at the end it comes out as this delicious meal. The Kitchen is a cool place that you can go to with a group of friends, or you can go by yourself and meet new friends.
Okay, let's see how you did. You ready? Oh yeah.
I had lots of fun making delicious chocolate chip cookies with Ann and Jen. One thing I learned from Ann and Jen is to trust your intuition and do what you love. Thanks, Ann and Jen, for having me bake cookies.
Thank you.
Totally cool, yeah.
Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye.